Hot dogs don't turn brown when you cook them.
It's expensive ass gas station. Measure car right now. Got all the benders. You know. Nicholas! Hey, what's up, it's your boy Willie C with the We back another video today, man. Today my boy, he wants to cut his bumper. He wants M3 quad tips. So we gonna try to do that a little bit today, man. Nice car, bro. Say what's up to the people.
Might need to.
Y'all go subscribe to my boy YouTube. Say what's up to the people, man. You match it with your car today?
I match every deal, man.
With your interior? Crazy. Damn, your tips look a lot bigger.
But I have to push them out a little bit because it's plain. But I'm doing 3-inch tips. These are fine.
I think you can do it.
Because the pipe goes right here, it's gonna look like this, so I might need to cut this.
Oh yeah. Alright y'all, so we in the Big Vic with my boy.
So just staying there, we trying to go to the Muffler King shop.
Got Big Nick back there. Yeah, we're gonna get some quad tips. Alright, so we back at supposed to did my car. Back at the D-Muffler shop. 3.5. You want us to put it on.
These welds, man. No nickel. No bead pattern.
We didn't cop the tip.
Oh, I'm trying to walk.
Spit on my face.
We didn't got the tip. 3.5 tips. We're gonna go measure the car right now. The Crown BZ. Alright y'all, so we try to go to a car meet. But as you can see, it got shut down like all car meets did.
Thumbnail?
Try to go to this car meet, but it got shut down immediately. Ain't that right, Nick? Shit.
I want glizzies.
No, I think Nick might want.
You want one, Nick?
Nick, you want a glizzy?
You want a glizzy?
He lying.
Hot dogs don't turn brown when you cook them.
Yes, they do.
They turn pink.
No, they don't. What hot dogs you be eating?
Regular ones.
Not meant to the cookout.
I'm looking it up. Look, guys, it's Will. What happened?
Nicholas! You got Nicholas in the
If I could do that, I would have done that. If I knew if I could do that.
Yeah, you could just do that. But if we going to pick up Big Smoke transmission service, so I can whoop his ass. Ain't that right?
You could turn your XHP up now.
Yeah, I'm turning stage 2. Alright, y'all, so we on the way to a car mate. It's road to 500 episode, I don't even know. But just got my transmission service, you know what I'm saying? Now we get gas. Nick might go to this expensive ass gas station. Like, he don't take his ass to a racetrack or a quick trip and get some cheap gas. We got Yanni on the phone.
Hey guys!
You know.
I miss you.
We got my boy over there in the 335. You can't even see it.
Wait, let me see too.
So we finna head out. Yeah, we got a car meet. We got all the benders. You know what I'm saying? Stacked up.